Powergate 3 Plus user tutorial. Before commencing, depending on your vehicle, it is strongly recommended that the vehicle is connected to a battery charger or stabilizer to ensure a constant 12 volts. If the battery voltage drops too low during programming, damage can be caused. If you have any questions about this or need more information, please contact us. If your vehicle is being serviced or having an ECU update, the Powergate 3 remap must be removed prior, as costs to reset the tool after may occur, as it may not work with the new calibration. Please download and install the Powergate 3 user software to your computer before commencing with this tutorial. Read our written guide on the software page for more information. In the box, you will find one Powergate 3 Plus device, one OBD2 cable, one USB cable, and one stylus pen. Reading the vehicle for the first time. Please connect your Powergate to your vehicle via the OBD2 port on the vehicle and the supplied OBD2 cable. Please ensure the tool is only connected to the vehicle it's intended to be used on, as it may pair itself to the vehicle as soon as it's connected. Use supplied stylus pen on the Powergate touchscreen. Head through the tuning menu and select your vehicle. If your vehicle cannot be found, please get in touch with us. Once the vehicle is selected, the tool will say Key On and Confirm. This requires you to put the vehicle ignition on, but do not start the vehicle. The process can vary from vehicle to vehicle. If you're unsure you've got it right, contact us to confirm. Click OK to confirm on the Powergate and it will begin communication. If you're prompted to read the ECU, press Yes. The time this takes will depend on the ECU. Once that's complete, turn the ignition off and unplug, as prompted on screen, and then head to your PC. Uploading your file to us. Connect your Powergate 3 to your PC using the supplied USB cable. A Windows PC, Windows 7 or higher, with a USB port is required to use the Powergate 3 Plus. Open the Powergate 3 user software. Once the software opens and identifies your device, it will automatically update the Powergate 3. It's recommended that you allow these updates to take place. Once the software is open and the Powergate updated, head to Download Data. Click Start and choose somewhere on your PC to save the file. This file is what will be sent to us, so keep it safe and accessible. Ideally, name the file with your full name and your registration number. Then, please email the file as an attachment to files@superchips.co.uk and have the subject of the email read Superchips Powergate, followed by your full name and vehicle registration. For example, Superchips Powergate, John Doe, AY71, GLK. We will process the file and return it to you at the same email address in up to 24 hours. If the email address receiving the file needs to be different, please let us know in the same email containing your file. Receiving your file. Save the file we email back to you to your PC. Please don't confuse this with the read you've sent to us. Open the Powergate user software with your Powergate connected and head to Upload Data. Click Browse and select the modified file that we've returned to you. This will then install the remap on your Powergate. You'll be prompted when this is complete. Unplug from your PC and head back to the vehicle. Installing your remap. Plug the Powergate back into the vehicle as you did at the beginning of the read process. Installing is similar to reading. Tap Tuning and the Powergate will scan for the modified file. You'll be asked if you'd like to continue writing the file. Click Yes. You can select from your original file and your new modified file. Tap the modified file and tap the right arrow. The Powergate will communicate with the vehicle and begin the writing process. This may take between 10 to 20 minutes depending on the vehicle. It is very important that the battery voltage doesn't drop here and the tool isn't unplugged or interrupted, as damage can be caused. Follow the prompts on screen and turn on the ignition without starting the vehicle when prompted. Follow the on-screen prompts if asked to turn the ignition off and on again as carefully as possible. You'll be prompted when the write is complete and you can turn the ignition off and unplug the tool. The process is complete. Your remap is now installed on your vehicle. If any problems occur, please contact us at sales@superchips.co.uk.